Hello, I'm just unboxing a helmet which is just received from Amazon. It's a helmet of company name is Studs, and just I'm unboxing it. So first of all, I'll just take this wrapper out. And now let's see what is inside this helmet I found. Maybe it's won't be cut in actual size. Though the packing is received by Amazon, but it's not that much of good size. Its cost is about 1280 rupees. This is the helmet which I found inside the box. This is the helmet. This is the size of the helmet, and in this it's a ninja variant. You can see this. And MRP, Amazon gave me this the MRP price, which is of 1280 rupees. So yeah, this is the MRP on what I am found inside this box is this one. This is the genuine thing that it's belong to Studs, and this is the safety features. This is the lock, simple. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.